Hello and welcome to the Ramcast number 90.
It's officially dance week, and that means I can do a Fortnite dance.
Nobody cares.
Yeah, let's go.
That was cringe.
That was not cringe.
Well, that was disgusting. Anyway, in other news, it is Administrative Professionals Week, an annual event held during the last full week of April to recognize and appreciate the contributions of administrative professionals, including secretaries, administrative assistants, and other office support staff.
You mean the people who do most of the work around here?
Yeah, pretty much. People who keep this place running from running into the ground.
It already has.
Anyway, on to a somber note. Pope Francis has unfortunately passed away at the age of 88. He was the 266th Pope of the Catholic Church, and also the first non-European Pope.
Cool.
He was South American, I think.
Yeah.
Let's go to announcements, and first a special announcement for our seniors.
Graduation is Sunday afternoon, May 18th, in the Channing Nunn Gym. I probably butchered the name, and I don't care. Be quiet. Seniors, there's still a lot to get done. The senior newsletter has all the information you should have received in your email. School email. You can also find it in the app and on the front page of the school website. Really easy.
You sure?
Well, not for you.
An authentic West African Griot from the nation of Senegal visited MVTHS to share his culture with students from African American Studies. The MVTHS, BSU, and music courses, the job of a griot is traditional oral historian who tells stories musically. Morikeba Kuwait plays a traditional instrument called the kora, a type of harp. MVTHS was honored to be part of his lessons and culture.
It's your turn. Stop playing with your toys.
Be quiet. Reminder, all students that drive or are dropped off must enter through the gym doors only. The front door entrance will not be allowed until 8:10. Front door or circle drive drop-off is for special ed buses only, so get your piece of crap car out of the front. Go to the back. It's not that hard.
It's okay, man. You know.
Whatever.
Petitions for next year's High Tri Council are available in the main office and district office. Completed petitions are due by Monday, April 28th. Girls who are not members of the High Tri may run for council if they join High Tri for the remainder of the year. See Miss Lovin in the main office if you have questions.
If you have lost a water bottle, please come and claim it in the attendance office. Like, isn't it funny that people who buy these water bottles, these fancy water bottles for the environment, and then just leave them at school? Talk about a waste, am I
And then
right?
they go buy another one.
Yeah,
Like,
and they're loud.
Because they're brainless consumers.
That's just an American.
yeah.
Tech Services is looking for summer workers. If you're interested, please stop by B108 and pick up an application.
Seniors who ordered graduation announcements from Jostens may pick those up in the main office. The Jostin representatives will be on campus this Thursday to distribute other items.
Cool, I guess.
Cool, I suppose.
Class officer elections are this week. Primary election only for the class of 2026, then general election for classes of 26, 27, and 28 on Thursday, all via email. Vote from period 1 through 2:45 each day. Results will be posted after school on the gym doors.
Cool.
Korrie, do you have shots, I guess?
Shots, rabies, polio. Ah. All incoming freshmen and seniors, that's you are required to have up-to-date vaccinations before the start of the school year. The Jefferson County Health Department has openings. Avoid the rush. Call them to schedule your appointment. They have all the information you need. Take that, anti-vaxxers. Ha!
Where did James go? Do you know where he went?
No.
Do you think he's time traveling again?
Probably. Where's
Yeah.
That's why the DeLorean wasn't here today.
Oh.
Hello! I'm James Tolley, your resident time traveler. I'm currently hiding in a crater in no man's land. I'm here on the 15th of September, 1916, at the Battle of Flers Courcelette. Or something like that. The first use of tanks in warfare. Soon, the British will deploy the Mark I tanks during this battle. Originally called landships, they were later renamed tanks to keep secrecy, which I kind of like better. Landships is a really cool name. Now, I'm getting out of here before the next charge.
That was our show. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.
Holy crap! What's our insurance policy on the DeLorean?
Korrie, did you get your shot? No!
I guess I brought something back with me when I did that plague
Why
episode.
would you do that?
I really don't think anybody cares.
Bye.